What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of tea. It's almost 12 o'clock at night, so I can't drink coffee. I rather drink tea. So yeah, let's take a sip of tea from my KASPA Maxi mug. Everything, definitely everything tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day, guys. First, we'll look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. And after that, we'll check prices in a little details to see how we're doing. And once we're done with that, I will show you my positions. Okay, we can see whether we're going up, down, left, right, it depends on you, so you can do that. But before we do that, anyways, the reason again why we do this is because it helps a lot, in making decision when you trade. Do you want to enter a trade? You want to exit a trade? Are you going to add to an existing trade? So there is a lot of things that we do with this information. Okay, so that's why we do it. But anyways, before we get to that, it is funny, like yesterday I gave you guys an entry level on KASPA, because that is what I would have done. Okay, you guys already know me. I'm very aggressive trader. I do not wait for price confirmation. If 3 out of 4 indicators shows me that I have to get in, I usually get in. Okay, excuse me, right back here. Okay, yeah, I usually get in. I don't wait for price confirmation. So it might drop back down probably 10, 20, 25%. I don't care, because I know the upside, once it reverses, it will make me 300-400% of my position. If you've been following my videos, you will see that. So yeah, that's how I trade. So when I give you a sign like this is a signal, you've got to act on it. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to follow or you don't want to follow. But 3 or 4 days later, you will wish you did. Not financial advice. It is what it is. So yeah. Now going back to talk about what's going on today with KASPA, because I can see the trade. Okay, excuse me. I can see the trend, not the trade, the trend on social media. The haters out there talking about, yeah, now you got cracking, now what? Oh, it's not running. Oh, this is not happening. It is funny to me because, first of all, go look at the order books. Look at the order books. And again, volume will not pick up just like that. It takes time. Like, give it a couple days. Just give it a couple days. I told you guys, the coins that we trade on this my millionaire journey: KASPA, Quant, Jasmine. You guys just need to give it 3 months, and we just 1 month away for those 3 months to be completed. Then you will understand why I am so bullish on these coins. It has already started. You see what Quant is doing. Look at Quant now. It's running, and a lot of people still don't say, yeah, we're gonna go down. Really? Really? So, and again, look at Jasmine. After everything said and done, price is still sitting right there. 1.72 cents. 1.72 cents. It's just going sideways. That's what it's doing. And now we circle back to King KASPA. Price action that we saw on KASPA, people still like, okay, they're expecting it to run. I am expecting it to run. But it's going to be something that most people are not waiting for. Because first of all, when Kraken listed, look at Binance. They already have their Web3 wallet, which now you can now store your KASPA on Binance. They already have that. Coinbase, the same thing. So those things are telling me, like, guys, these guys are it is in their own interest to maintain the price down as long as they can. It's on their interest, okay? Excuse me. Because, like I said, all these exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, my grandma's exchange, whatever they are, they have to buy these coins just like you and me before they can list them. Now, if price is trending down, there is no way, guys. Oh, come on. There is no way KASPA should be trending downwards right now. I'm going to show you something, okay? Let me show you this. Here. This is KASPA right now, okay? Look at this. I always tell you guys, RSI, MACDs, those things don't lie. This is on the 1 hour time frame. See, it's about to flip bullish. This one has already flipped bullish, but RSI and MACDs, they are showing us that, yeah, price should be taking off. As a matter of fact, you can look at the candles right here. They've started turning green, okay? But that is not all. If we go, let me go on the, trying to go on the 4 hour. Okay, this is the 4 hour candles. Look at that. Again, do you see what I'm seeing? Look at that. It's just like I'm telling you, this is something that does not make sense that the price is trending downwards. Okay, look at the RSI. RSI flipping already. Look at MACD. We've gone from green to pink, which means next color probably gonna be green. So yeah, you look at that, red to pink, pink to green, everything. And look at the candles. Again, that's another thing that shows you that, yeah, we are this price action is going to go off right now. We're going to start going upwards any moment now. Now another one. Okay, let's go on the weekly, for example. Let me go on the weekly. See, this is the weekly candle for KASPA. Look at the RSI, already flipped. Look at RSI MACD. That's what I'm telling you guys. Like, I have my positions already because I know it is going to be without any warning, and you're about to see this thing starts to run. Okay, so anyways, if you excuse me, there, if you think that, oh yeah, we're going back to 10 cents and this is going to happen, blah blah blah, I'm gonna tell you one thing. If you pay attention to KASPA pricing, this what is happening right now is what happened back just a couple days ago when KASPA was at 10 cents. We kept going 10 cents, 11, 12, back to 10 cents, 11, 12, back to 10 cents. So right now, probably are going to have this thing again. 15.2 cents all the way back to 17, back to 15.2, all the way back to 17, and then finally it's going to take off. But this is not going to be so long because right now, price was easier to get manipulated when it was just mixy with a high volume. Now we have Kraken. Kraken volume has started building up. Last time I checked, in a couple of hours ago, they had already hitting like is it $2 million worth of volume? So yeah, it is building up. It's coming, and much people, they will sit there still waiting for it to go back to 10 cents. Well, I'm telling you guys, everything, I usually like 3 or 4 indicators to confirm, and I already, like I showed you guys in my last video, my emergency video, we already have 4 indicators confirming that the price of KASPA is about to take off. Okay, you can do with that information whatever you like. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys that if I did not have a position already on KASPA, I would have opened one yesterday while I was talking to you guys about it. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. We go here, crypto bubbles. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, as you can see, again, it's still a mixed feeling. People don't know what is going on. Bitcoin is moving and everybody else like, oh crap, what are we going to do? But anyways, now looking at King KASPA, KAS, we have see that for the 1 hour, past 1 hour, we are up 1.6%, 3.3% down on the day, 15.8% up on the week, 13.7% up on the month, and 19.2% up on the year. Market cap is sitting at $3.8 billion. There was a sell-off yesterday, as you can see. We're down again to $3.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at $168.94 million. Looking at QNT, okay, for the past hour we are up 2%, 0.65% up on the day, 38.5% up on the week, 36.3% up on the month, and 9.9% down on the year. That number looks like it's remaining straight right there. But anyways, we see. Let's see what we do from here. Market cap, you see, is going up. We are sitting at $1.29 billion market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at $65.44 million. And last but not the least, Jasmine. Look at Jasmine. For the past hour, we are up 0.74%, 8.6% down on the day, 4% down on the week, 1.6% down on the month, and 293% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $968.25 million, billion dollars. Yes, you can see it dropped. There was a little bit of sell-off, just like the other ones. Okay, and we also have a trading volume for the past 24 hours of $206.09 million. So there's no need for explanation looking for it. Bitcoin had a little bit jumped and it's pumping again. The dominance has also started to pick up. So you guys already know the drill. Once the dominance starts to pick up, most of the altcoins will drop. Unfortunately, I don't know why it's that. I don't know why people sell their coins because of whatever that Bitcoin is doing. But anyways, everybody has their own cup of tea. So, okay. Now, let's go look at prices in a little bit details. Let's look at trading view right quick to see how prices has been reacting. Okay, we're gonna start first with King KASPA. Here, trading view, this guy, and let me X that out. Wow, see, he's already started to move while I was talking to you guys. So, what are we seeing here? Again, a fake out. That's what we are seeing. Fake out. Yesterday, price was around here. Okay, but now you can see this line of support got broken, which is, for me, I think it's a fake out, because you see how it went down, and look at it again, it's climbing again. Right now we are testing that support slash resistance. Again, I usually tell you guys, see how the ribbon is spreading out. That's what you got to look at first, which means it is spreading. It means that we're about to start curving upwards. So I'm expecting this to break above the resistance again, turn into support, and try to climb above the moving ribbon. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now, watching price tag. Again, as soon as I saw this Star Wars, I know, yeah, there's a reversal candle right there. But anyways, now let's watch from on the upcoming hours to see how this thing is moving. So far, so good. I like the price action. And now, if we go on the 4-hourly, right there, 4-hour, you can see almost the same thing is playing out right now. Okay, price is moving, and we still have that resistance here. We fell back into the same triangle that we were forming. Okay, we broke above it, came back, retest, but instead fell through. So right now I'm expecting the same. So we came all the way down, almost touching it, and now price is going upwards again. So everything's still moving according to plan. Okay, moving ribbon, you can see right now it's about to kind of squeeze together and then start to reverse, going back upwards again. Something similar. Okay, if I go back a little bit, something similar to what we just witnessed not long ago right here. Remember how the price came all the way down? Okay, so look at that. Bam, bounce above, came down again. The ribbon was also squeezing itself together. Sorry, and then bam, there we go. It started to move. Oh, come on, started to move upwards. Okay, that is exactly what I'm expecting here. That's exactly what's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. We sit tight and then watch what KASPA does. So, like, the volume on that Kraken looks very interesting. Okay, it looks really interesting to see how the Kraken volume is been moving up and down. Earlier today, it was less than $1 million. Now we are sitting at almost $3 million of of a transaction in Kraken. So yeah, it has begun to pick up. And again, like I said, look at that ribbon. That looks very, very juicy right there. Anyways, let's continue. Let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant QNT. QNT, right? Come on. Let's go look at Quant QNT. This one here. Okay. On Quant, again, same thing, same difference. See? Let me zoom it out. Quant still forming that bull flag. You guys remember, like I told you guys, it's a good thing, okay, that the moving average is way down here. Okay, it's a good thing. Now, I'm expecting the moving average to continue climbing. Okay, let me zoom in just a little bit on here. There, see what's gonna happen? Okay, like before, see how we're fighting? We're above the ribbon, under the ribbon, above the ribbon, under the ribbon. So if you draw the two lines, you will find out that right now Quant is almost at the apex of this triangle on this bull flag that we've been forming. So far I'm expecting price to come and retry this resistance again at $90. Okay, what is most likely to happen is that we're going to break above it, come back, turn that as support, and then take off from there. So there's not much to be said about Quant right now other than sit tight and watch the price action, because like we see Bitcoin going, and like I told guys, like Bitcoin is looking like he's trying to go to 100,000, and if Bitcoin heads to 100,000, you are going to see all the rest of the altcoins starts to run, because like I'm telling you guys, there is something brewing, in the shadows. So that's what I'm looking at right now. See, price tried to come back down, they bought it back up, try to come back down. Right now they're buying it back up again. It's just like a tug of war going on right now, with that one ending. The ending is gonna be we break this resistance, turn that into support, and up we go. Okay, there's not much to be said right there, because like I told you guys, let me go here. Like I told you guys, in every trade there is a before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. And if you look at this right now, before the trade was here, we pumped. Okay, we pumped like crazy, meeting all those targets, just like I was telling you guys. We met the targets, and look, we are now forming the bull flag. If you can't see it, then you have to do this. Let me go my trend lines here. If you draw one right there, that's one, and then you draw the next one, another trend line right there. It's gonna be a little difficult because I'm using my phone right there. See, that's what we're doing. So right now Quant is going like see, give it a couple more hours, and then we will see what the final outcome with. Like again, I'm telling you, I can tell you right now that the outcome is going to be going upwards, because you see the moving ribbon, we are just touching the ribbon and bouncing. Look at that, 1 2 3 4 times touching the ribbon and bouncing. So yeah, I'm expecting the price to bounce upwards, and that's what's happening. You can sit on the sideline if you want to, but guys, this is the new before the trade. So if you want to look for an entry position, this is a very good way, very good time for us to do that. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Let me go here, JASMY USDT. Jasmine, we're still in the same predicament. I told you guys, I am waiting for Jasmine, okay, to go and break that resistance at 2.3. okay, until we break that. I will be I'm still bullish on Jasmine, but I will be careful. Now I am already on my trade, so it really don't matter to me what Jasmine does. Okay, right now you see we below the ribbon, coming back to retest the support. So next move right now that we retested it, next move I'm expecting it to do is bounce, keep on going, try to break above the ribbon and the moving average. But that right here is a lot of resistance, so let's wait to see what Jasmine does. Okay, so if you go on the 4 hourly, right there, you can see it. That was Very, very awesome to see that price came. Look at that. Look at that candle. They tried to, and somebody, again, it takes a lot of money. Look at this candle. It takes a lot of money to drop the price this much. So yeah, everybody's still trying to accumulate. I don't know who is doing this and why, but anyways, time is coming, because the sooner than later they will run out of funds, and they will not be able to stop this. This right here will not be able to stop it, and it looks like we are closer, because as you can see, we come back, always touch that and bounce. Now we came back, touch it again, and we bounce. So yeah, it's a time that you just have to sit tight. People like me, excuse me, people like me who already have their positions ready, all we have to do is just sit there and watch the price action. Okay, watch it on, because like I'm telling you guys, the market is about to get to that gear 5. That's what's about to happen. So if you're not in a position, if you ask me, not financial advice, but yeah, it is imperative, okay, it is advisable that you look for an entry if you want to trade. Okay, because like these prices, they are going to take off with no warning. They're not going to warn you. It's just going to be like boom, there we go. Okay, and I will be here telling you guys, yeah, I told you so. You should have had your position. Me, I already have mine, just like we're about to see. But anyways, before we get to that, guys, please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you are going to lose your money before you can even say hello. Okay, please. Okay, I do not condone it. I don't advise people to do that. Just buy your coins on spot, and then you can trade like that. Or if you want to try it, okay, start first small. Take $10, turn it into 20, 20 into 50, 50 into 100. Now when you are now confident enough and you know what you're doing, then yes, the links are below. I do have Bydfi, Phemex, and Margex. Use those links, guys. Use them, because when you do, you will get free money. Okay, once you sign up, meet their deposit quorum. Some of them don't even require much. They get you the free money, and then you can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. As long as you make money, that's all I care about. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. First, we're gonna look at my Phemex. We're gonna look at my Bydfi. Okay. Now, let's go here. Bydfi is, come on, where are you? Right here. Right here. You guys can see my overall, I am still up $16,000, as you can see right here. So we're still doing pretty good. If you do remember, I was down on this trade in this platform. It went all the way down to $6,000, and most people was like, yep, you're gonna get liquidated. And I was just laughing, telling guys that it looks like you don't know how this market works. But anyways, go looking at the contracts. Okay, on KASPA, I am down 18%, which is $930. Again, guys, it doesn't bother me any way. It doesn't, because I know soon you're about to see this thing reverse again. But anyway, look at my quant. On my quant, I am still up 68%, which is $4,800. Again, do not trade like me if you don't have experience. I trade at 50x. I'm a very, very aggressive trader, and the reason I'm able to do this is because on this particular exchange, I add money and they let me drop my liquidation low. Like on KASPA, my liquidation is 8 cents, and on the quant, my liquidation is $35. So yeah, that's why I like this exchange for beginners. They let you do this, add more money, you drop your liquidation, plus your gains go up. Anyways, now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On my Phemex, let me sign in. My Phemex, yeah, you guys remember a couple days ago I was up 17,000. So yeah, Jasmine corrected, KASPA corrected. Right now I am still up almost $14,000. But anyways, we good right there. Now if you look at my contracts, you will see that the first one, which is my Jasmine, I am still down 22%. Okay, which is 2,600. And on my KASPA, I am down 16%, which is $900. Okay, just like the other one. Again, I do trade at 50x, as you can see. 50x because my liquidation is really low. That's why. So anyways, now you have it. Now let's go look at my Margex. Okay, my newest trade that I had open on Margex. Maybe some guys think like since KASPA corrected, maybe I got liquidated. No, man, it can't happen. I know exactly what I'm doing. So if you look at my Margex, open that up. Right now, here I do have 7 positions, like you guys already know. 7 positions, 6 of them are on KASPA, and 1 is on SUI. The first 2, as you can see, they are KASPA. They are up 186%, which is 1,800 each. You see that right there. On my SUI trade, I am still up 139%, which is 1,300, which is also doing pretty good. Now, if you look at the 3rd and 4th positions for my KASPA, I'm still up 471%, which is 4,700, and the other one I am up 165%, which is 3,300. Now the last 2, as you can see, I am up 196%, which is 8,200 each. Again, guys, these are things that I want to keep these positions for a long term, because like, hey, there's a lot of money to be made in this thing. Okay, let me go back here. I gotta switch this. There's a lot of money to be made on it, just like I'm about to show you right now. Okay, because like, definitely for me, I think KASPA is going to $10, but if KASPA does things like, let's say $2-3, these positions I just show you, they are going to make me a lot of money. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, let me go back here again. I'm just going to take a random one. Let me take the last one for example. Look at this. Okay, if KASPA goes to $2, this position will make me $409,000. Now you gotta multiply that by 2, because I have 2 of them of the same size. Okay, so those are things I'm looking at. Even let's just say $1, KASPA hits goes to $1, this thing will make me $191,000. Multiply that by 2. Okay, those are things these are the opportunity that's, I'm telling you guys, these opportunities are there. You only have to find the entry. Okay, like for example, this one, if KASPA goes to $1, this position will make me $65,000. See, 65. Now if it goes to $2, it will make me $142,000, and these prices are very reachable. They are not impossible to reach. Okay, these are opportunities. Again, guys, we're about to sit here in the next 6 to 8 months and we'll talk about this. Next 6 to 8 or even 10 months, we will talk about this, and I will tell you the same thing. Okay, I will be here and I will tell you like, yep, I told you so. Because you see the money and you refuse to take part of it. Again, not financial advice. You can do whatever you like. Anyways, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, and also don't forget to share so that other people with millionaire minds like you and me can see this information and the family can grow. You never know what you will learn from somebody else. Okay, so that being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.